Hi everyone, it's Scott and Gary here for the Molson Coors Technical Services Digital Services team, and we're here today to talk to you about the importance of beer-ready glassware.
Absolutely. A beer-ready glass is a cold, clean, dry glass. So we're going to go through what happens when you don't use a beer-ready glass, but also the impact it can have if you use the wrong glass for the wrong product.
Let's get into it, shall we? A beer-ready glass should be cool, clean and dry. Once you pour your pint using a beer-ready glass, you'll have a perfect pint every time. Using a glass which is warm can cause the beer to fob a lot more than usual. Easily done in those busy periods. Using a greasy glass, which is often caused by washing glassware with things like coffee cups, causes the beer to be flat, and you can often see bubbles clinging to the side of the glass. And finally, using a non-branded glass with no nucleator for lager will lead to poor presentation. Easily avoid these quality issues by making sure that you use a beer-ready glass.
Okay, so hopefully we've seen the importance of using a beer-ready glass and also what happens if you don't use a beer-ready glass, and as well the impacts of the wrong glass on the wrong product. It's important, guys.
Yeah, and hopefully you can see the results of using the correct beer-ready glass. You get a perfect pint of Carling. Now get in those comments and like and subscribe and keep watching, because we are going to show you how to care for your glass washer and how to make sure you maintain beer-ready glassware. So thanks for watching today, guys. See you soon.
Take care. All the best.